Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. This tall, imposing figure standing next to me, you guys might remember him. This is Sage. This is the amazing Bronco that last year at Knowledge Fest, Orlando, we got a chance to see. And well, this year it's back, and he's done a bunch of new stuff to it because Focal's come out with some new speakers.
Yeah, we put the Kevlar M's in here.
Now, we've been talking about the Kevlar M's on the show, and this is the first time I'm going to have the opportunity to sit in the car and listen to it. For a lot of you, also be the first time you get the chance to listen to it. We have a new mic, so you guys will get the opportunity to hear it better than last time. So hopefully you guys will be like, ooh, ah. Did you go to the bathroom before we started the show?
No.
Okay, well, stay tuned, and we'll see you on the flip side. Now, we all thought this thing sounded amazing last time. It was very impressive, but we have new speakers, and you said, you know what? I'm gonna try to fix a lot of the problems that the last one had just because it's a Bronco.
Yep.
And let's start with that. What is the first thing that you did when you put these in?
So the first thing we did is actually move you guys know these vehicles have mid bases in the kick panels. We took them out of the kick panel and built a custom door panel pod for the 6.5 in the door so we could get a better mid-bass response.
Now, how fun was that in this particular vehicle?
I have to be honest, I didn't actually build the pods. My good buddy JT out in California built them.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, I'm not going to take the fame for this one. JT did a really good job. The car was actually at home in LA, and I had the idea to move them, so we got JT to do this for us. So we built these really awesome pods in the door for the K2M 6.5s.
I love it.
Yep. And then I rebuilt dash pods for the new mid-range and tweeter for the top of the dash.
Are you guys selling those, it sounds?
Absolutely not. No, we're not.
No?
It's too much work. They're all molded in. Kind of need the car to make them. We can make the parts, but not the actual finished product.
So somebody called Sounds Good and said, hey, can I just get the parts and do it myself?
Sure.
There you go.
Yeah, you can get the acrylic parts and glue them together and bodywork them. But yeah, we can get you the acrylic parts.
Well, what else happened to this since last time we've seen it? I feel like it's a different color.
Yeah, we changed the interior to the tan interior. We did some stuff with the dash. We're actually going to redo that because the dash doesn't match the seats. But the concept is cool. So new speakers, new leather interior, new wheels, and the back of the vehicle is all the same still. Still got the same amplifiers. Actually sounds a lot better, yeah.
Let's hop in and take a look.
The reason it actually sounds a lot better.
Yes.
It's Barney tuned. Actually remote Barney tuned. I was in Nashville. This was in LA in a garage. And I, through TeamViewer, tuned it through Barney and actually listened to it when I got here at Knowledge Fest. So
no kidding.
Let's see how it sounds.
All right.
Yep.
All right, we're inside the Bronco. We're gonna play some of that songs that you guys know and love. It's a very intimate setting, and you know, nothing makes that better than a little bit of DRM free music. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Favorite. That's what that sounds like.
Oh, it's totally like that. Now, before we play another Before we play another song, could you kind of give me an idea of what makes the M Profile K2s? What's so different about that compared to the regular K2s?
So the M Profile K2 has taken directly from the Utopia speaker. They all have the M Profile cone, as you see on like the flagship Utopia product. The M Profile product has all of it has a lot larger voice coil and more of an inverted dome or inverted cone and dome drivers, and that helps with off-axis response, and actually the drivers can play up a lot higher than normal. And one other really cool thing, I think it's the coolest part of the M product, is the frac tweeter.
Sure.
Full range aluminum magnesium Kevlar, I think, something like that. Sorry.
It's okay.
Good
It's
morning.
Good morning.
Frac.
We're just gonna call it Twimmer.
Yeah, it's a tweeter, but it's actually a full range driver. So it's not normal looking. It has a basket, it has a spider, it has a inverted aluminum magnesium cone with a rubber suspension with an FS of 280 hertz.
Wow.
So it'll play down, obviously not lots of power handling, but they say the frequency response is 600 to 32,000 hertz.
Wow.
So it's pretty impressive.
Don't cross it over at 600.
No.
Please
In this
don't.
vehicle, it's playing 4,000 and up.
Okay.
So, yeah, if you were doing like a super low volume system, listening to classical music, you could do that. But if you're going to listen to anything else, like normal music, and play it loud, cross it over high. There's no reason to play it down to 600 hertz.
It is pretty unique for sure. Let's take a listen to another song. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this update, and it's going to get updated again. So we'll be definitely sure to hop in next time we get our hands on this thing, take a listen to what Sage comes up with next.
Yep, we're going to get this thing all types of changes.
All types
Stay
of changes.
tuned. Yeah.
No rest for the weary?
No.
Yeah. That's what you get
You
for
gotta
being,
always make it better.
that's what you get for being picky.
Yeah, very picky.
Very picky. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching as always. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you later next time. Bye.
Take care, guys.
He's so exciting. I got him up way too early.
Yeah, it's very early here.
I'm gonna go use the restroom.
Yeah, gotta take a shit.
Okay, we'll see you on the flip
Hurry this
side.
thing up. Before I shit my pants. I'm good this time.
Okay.
Don't put that in there.
Oh, I'm going to.
I know you are. You're a fucking dickhead.